In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create loan EMI calculator in Microsoft Excel. We will build a simple EMI calculator using a few cells and one built-in Excel function. The goal is to enter your loan amount, your annual interest rate, and your loan term in total months, and then have Excel calculate the monthly payment for you automatically. As you follow along, keep an eye on the cell locations mentioned, because using the right cells is what makes the calculator work smoothly. First, type your loan amount into cell B1. Before you enter anything, make sure cell B1 is the active cell, meaning it has the cursor inside it or it is highlighted. Then type the numeric loan value such as 250,000 for a loan of $250,000 without adding any extra symbols. If your workbook uses a different currency format, Excel can still compute correctly as long as the number is entered as a number. After entering the loan amount, press Enter or click another cell to confirm the value is stored properly. Next, move to cell B2 and type your annual interest rate percentage into cell B2. This should be the yearly interest rate entered as a percentage number. For example, if the rate is 9%, you would enter 9. It is important to enter the percentage as a plain number here, because later we will divide by 12 to convert it into a monthly rate. Take a moment to double-check that you are entering the annual rate, not a monthly rate, so the calculation stays accurate. Now you will enter the loan term in total months into cell B3. Click cell B3, then type the number of months for the full duration of the loan. For instance, if your loan lasts for 60 months, enter 60. Excel needs the total number of months so it can calculate the payment schedule across the correct length of time. When you are done, make sure the value appears in the cell clearly. After the three inputs are in place, we are ready to create the formula. Click on cell B4 to select it. This is the cell where Excel will display the calculated EMI amount. At this point, B1, B2, and B3 are acting as your input cells, and B4 will be your output cell. Selecting B4 ensures that when you type the formula, Excel places the result in the correct location. With cell B4 selected, type the formula exactly as follows: $PMT B2 B3 minus B1. As you type, pay attention to the parentheses and the slashes, because the formula must be written precisely for Excel to understand it. This formula uses the PMT function, which calculates the periodic payment based on an interest rate, a number of periods, and a principal value. In our case, B2/12 converts the annual interest rate into a monthly interest rate. B3 represents the total number of months, and B1 is the loan amount. One small detail matters here. You will notice the loan amount is preceded by a negative sign in the formula. This is intentional and matches how Excel treats cash flow directions in the PMT function. You will still be entering a positive loan amount in B1, but the formula uses minus B1, so Excel returns the payment as a positive value for the monthly EMI. If you were to remove the negative sign, the result may appear with a different sign, so it is best to keep the formula exactly as shown. Finally, press the Enter key on your keyboard. After you press Enter, Excel will calculate the monthly EMI and display it in cell B4. If you later change any of your input values in B1, B2, or B3, cell B4 will update automatically because it is linked to those cells through the formula. Take a moment to confirm that the number in B4 looks reasonable and that it corresponds to the inputs you entered. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.